Parts of speech in Igbo language. That's what we have for today in our class Learn Igbo. We have 8 parts of speech in Igbo language, and that's what we're going to discuss in this video. Number 1, noun called aha. Number 2, pronoun is called nochi aha. Number 3, verb is called ngwa. Number 4, adjective is called nkowa aha. Number 5, adverb is called nkuwa. Number 6, preposition is called mbuzo. Number 7, conjunction is called njiko. Number 8, exclamation is called ntimbu. For more Igbo learning contents, please follow us on the Facebook page. Subscribe to our channel Learn Igbo. Well, thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe and like this video. God bless you.